How do you talk to a young child about art? How do you enjoy it together? So Storytime is a program that the Hirshhorn offers that invites young children to look at art and then connect it with a children's storybook. We move, we talk, we pretend, and the kids also have an opportunity to be artists themselves and make their own creations at the end of every program. The program really grows with the child from the time they're a young baby until they're 6 or 7 years old, from looking closely at artworks and understanding them, talking about them. We really try to engage them in all the things that artists do, looking closely at artworks and understanding them, talking about them, and then also that hands-on experience of creating.